Solved example. Consider the graph and indicate whether the graph represents a function or not. Describe the relation between x and y variable. To determine whether the graph is a function or not, we can perform the vertical line test. Recall that when we perform a vertical line test, we are checking for a given x value. How many y values exist? We can see that for a given x value, there are many y values. Hence, the graph is not a function as it is a one-to-many relation. We can perform the horizontal line test to understand the nature of the relationship between the x variable and the y variable. Recall that when we perform a horizontal line test, we are checking for a given y value. How many x values exist? We can see that for a given y value, there are many x values. It is a many-to-one relation. Combining the results of the two tests, we can say that the given relation is a many-to-many relation.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.